Hey everybody, welcome back to RC with Adam. My name is Adam, and guess what? We're going to find out who won the Fokoos Odin-5 3D printer giveaway. This is an exciting moment. Hold your breath. We're about to find out right now. I randomly selected a winner, and the winner is a person who says, "Man, that would make my day. I'd love to be able to get into designing and printing mini RC planes." Well, guess what? Your day has just been made. Mike Laren, or possibly Lauren, but probably Laren. Mike Laren, you are the winner of the Fokoos Odin-5. Congratulations. That's exciting. You should be excited right now. Everybody clap for Mike. Good job, Mike. All right, and the runner-up, in case Mike does not get back to me within 2 weeks of posting this video, the runner-up, you have not won, but the runner-up, in case Mike doesn't get back to me, is Techno Waves! Okay, Techno Waves, congratulations. You are the second in place if Mike does not get back to me. So, here's what's going to happen. I want both of you to send me an email. My email address is Adam, that's A-D-A-M, at RCwithAdam.com. I'm gonna put it right here on the screen as well. Send me an email saying, "Hey, I'm Mike," or "Hey, I'm Techno Waves, and this is my email address." And look, if you're a scammer or somebody else, don't even bother sending an email because we're gonna go through a verification process. But get in touch with me so then I can have your email and we can communicate back and forth. And then we're gonna make sure that the person emailing me is actually the person who left that comment, like Mike Laren. And we're going to make sure that that is the case. And then we're going to get your shipping information, Mike. And then I'm going to send that over to Fokoos, and then they're going to send you a 3D printer. And again, a big thanks to Fokoos for putting on this giveaway and providing the Odin-5 to be given away to you beautiful, beautiful people out there, or one of you in particular, which is Mike Laren. So thanks for playing, everybody. Thanks for commenting. I wish all of you could have won. You're all winners in my book. If I could, I would send each one of you a 3D printer, but I just can't. Wait, what? We could? No. Okay, sorry. Nope, we can't do that. But anyway, thanks for tagging along, everybody. Hopefully, we can do more giveaways like this one in the future. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.
I mean, we get bars in our goggles.